I had to travel here, so I traveled from California. How many people are from New York? Oh my goodness, that's a lot of people. And who had to travel here? Either trains, planes, automobiles? That's about the same proportion of people. Well, seems that the further that I have to travel, the more planning needs to go into that trip. So, also my bag gets bigger every time, but I'm trying to multitask and multi-purpose. But so, you know, a lot of planning goes into it. So it depends on how long you're gonna be gone, where are you going, is there somewhere you can stay? And really, that really would dictate, you know, how much planning you take and how big your bag is, basically. So to come to New York from California, I had a bag, a little carry-on. So now let's see about going to Mars. What kind of bag would we need? What would we need when we get there? What do we need on our way there? Well, we would need basically everything. We need shelter, we would need food, we would need oxygen, all of the very things that the Earth provides for us here. Now, would we be able to take it all with us? Or would it be a little smarter maybe? Or another way of putting it, can we use what's already there? Well, we can. How can we how can we come around the problem of, you know, how are we going to be able to unlock the resources on Mars? Well, here I have the genetic code for every microorganism, for every organism on Earth. The genetic code. This encodes for the plants that give us the air that we breathe, that provide us with food, for cotton, that provide us with clothes. It provides everything, all of the organisms that provide us with our resources here on Earth. So how can we take this and use it to our advantage so that we can unlock the resources somewhere else, say like Mars? Well, what I do, I'm a synthetic biologist, so I can take these functions, we can all take these functions and program a cell to provide us with these resources. Right now they provide us with medicine. When we get somewhere, we would need food. So we can take the genes that take the carbon dioxide that we breathe so that we can have oxygen, provide the proteins that we need to fuel our bodies, and it would make it much more feasible for us to travel long distances in space exploration. So the way that we can end up taking everything with us, and that would be through synthetic biology and having biology work for us. Thank you very much.